So what I've got here is a drill, and I've got to undo these two. Up. The screw, we just put it in my there. Did I put it in that one? Or that one? But then this one needs to be undone. The door looks gonna fall out. I just assume it's gonna fall out. It's a bit tricky. It's a bit tricky to get it on. It's not doing it. Oh, what just fell? Did I undo something? I can't do this. This is just so tricky. There it is. So let's put it there. No, in there. Then there, it's come out.